Suck it up, motherfucker, because it's still your motherfucking set.
There is no shortcut. It is reps that count. So just do the reps. What is important is that you get up. When you fall, the winner always gets up and the loser stays down. You have to take risks, no matter what it takes. Yes, I may fail, but I'm gonna go and take that risk and go for it. The more risks that you take, the higher the reward is on the end. If you fail, what's the worst that can happen? That you go and you get up and you do it again, and you try it again, and you try it again.
Off the roadway, let's go. Oh, beat him.
There's 5 more reps in the gym. There's always 5 reps. I don't care how beat up you are. I don't care how tired you are. You got 5 reps.
You want to go home as a champion, or you want to go home as a pussy clout?
Nobody wants to work out. Everybody want to be a bodybuilder, but don't nobody want to lift no heavy ass weight. All right, that's enough.
Lift me in the air. Lift me in the air. Pull! Everything you got. Your life depends upon this, and it does. Go! Biceps! Use everything you got. Come on! You gotta give. You gotta give. Do not fail. Do not fail. You cannot be a loser. Lose is nothing. You must not lose. You cannot leave the gym a loser. You might rather die than lose. Give, give, give. Come on. More! 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 Come on! Excellent.
This is your wake-up call, motherfucker. Wake up! The Hercules in you!
You cannot leave the gym ever a failure. You have to give it everything you got. When you think you're done, there's 5 more reps.
I go through and I don't care what happens. I threw up many times while I was working out, but it doesn't matter.
Let's do it! If you don't get no pain after a workout, you train like a pussy.
Everything you got right here, right the fuck now. Fuck tomorrow. We don't know if we're gonna live to see tomorrow. Everything you got right here.
Like, I love this so much, I'm willing to die. I don't care if it kills me. This is the same mindset Ronnie Coleman has, same mindset any champion has. They're willing to die for the craft.
That was easy.
Easy. You doing it.
You. I'm satisfied now. Your pride has been torn to shreds. You've challenged and lost to a fighter who is superior to you. And to make it worse, he was just a monkey, right?
If it's one-on-one, always bet on Kaido. Whether on land, at sea, or in the air, it's a widely held belief that this terrifying pirate is more powerful than any other living creature.
Couldn't wait till I got out of class to stare at the clock and shit. Before all this rap shit, I was gang banging and doing half beats on the cops and shit. And I'm straight from the shop, but I ball like the king of the county and shoot like Stojakovic. Keep applying that pressure, I go on the run, it ain't no letting up, ain't no stopping it. Had to tell my little brother to chill, gotta stay in the house, come outside, he be popping shit. You ain't heard about us? Well, you need to go watch the news, niggas know we be dropping shit. Got the feds on my ass in the hood, cause they think I'm the one who
The man who longed for a place to die. King of the beasts, Kaido.
If I'm not up in the studio, I'm fucking his cash off. Don't you know Polo G skinny tall with the dreads, till a nigga be rapping his ass off. Yeah, I heard she got surgery, still wanna climb from the back just to see if her ass off. Go like hardwood, watch me blast off. Tried to throw us some bullets, but we made them fumble like, no, you ain't getting that pass off. Been a block now, I'm taking my mask off. Hit the gas.
If this dreary world is destroyed, so be it. Let's start history's greatest war. Are you with me?
That boy a bitch, that's his damn fault. If you play it, you like when you crash out. When I up in his shit, man, that's man down. And BOA pulling them bands out. DOA, bitch, I get your mans out. A rock star from the block, I stand out. Came from nothing, I fuck my advance off. I hit the game with my 4 niggas ran out. Fuck it, I'm not your average Joe. When I leave the house, I took it. I'm rich, I'll shop on no budget. He catch him, I look young and walk in my bucket. I hop on this bitch and run it. If I said it, I seen it and done it. These little niggas never rob nobody, ain't caught nobody, ain't getting no money. Where I'm from is sports and gunplay. We looked up to the killer and dealers, but even them niggas won't make it out one day. My first time I been here, hood fame. Took off like I was on the runway. I'm a star, but still post on the one way. Them niggas top, but they won't play. They say like the choir on Sunday. Hop on the scene and I'm thugging it, Glock on my hip, so you know that I'm blitzing. Catch me up, I'm a down, I'm in public. Police keep asking, I'm taking the sun. Your way I grew up, man, that nigga was straight. Why the fuck you got a gun, you not gonna bust? In the 100 some shots, I ain't doing no touch. Tipping niggas to taste like he they corrupted. I ain't gon' cap, I don't even like rapping, but I love rapping them bodies and shit. Fuck the bitch, and when I get done, I'ma up my Glock and then rob the bitch. Catch a nigga when he clock out, I'ma get him whacked at his job and shit. And I don't know why the police keep fucking with me, cause they ain't stopping shit. Damn, spin on your block like a remix. Shoot him in the face, get his teeth lit. Extend it clip like a broomstick. Shoot a flick like Netflix. Scratch her off the checklist. I just bought a gun off Craigslist. Shoot her up in the brain, I'm leaving the stain. Only thing you see is red shit. If the police behind, we kick dust. My gun needs some jaws, he got nuts. Whole game we strapped, don't test us. If a nigga play, he gon' get punched. Damn, Italy the top shotter. Dumped out, got the balls like a collar.
Well, looks like I have no choice. Hurry up, Joker! It's time for the final battle! Get ready!
What causes that switch to flip? The beast mode. The full-on destroyer. To really give everything you have. And go beyond your limits. That's when you gotta use your emotion. That's when you gotta use that anger, that frustration, that fear. To push yourself harder. To push yourself to say, I don't stop. I don't stop.
Yeah! Wait, baby! Oh, yeah! Time to bleed! Come on, let's see the go! Come on! Three more to go! One! Come on! Two!
Another one, come on. No pain, come on. Come on. Dig. Start guard. Hey. Come on, 2 more. Let's go, brother. Come on. Come on.
Kakarot, I'm only going to say this once, so listen carefully. I, Vegeta, Prince of all Saiyans, would like to offer you, Kakarot, the opportunity to stand beside me in this conquest. With Napagon, I could use a good man. Think about it. We would rule the planets. You could have anything you desired. There's no one in the universe that could touch us. Nothing would be out of your grasp. What do you say, Kakarot?
I have everything I could ever want right here on Earth. Besides, I've seen how you treat your partners. Not much job security. I've got no choice. So I'll have to say...
Smiling and ready for more. Who does he think he is? What kind of power could he possibly be hiding? Guess I'll just have to find out. That's it? That was your best? I've got some bad news for you. You may be stronger than anyone else on this planet, but even at your peak, you're still no match for me.
Wanna bet?
I'm a Saiyan. Yeah, I'm a Saiyan. Yeah, I'm a Saiyan.
But know that if you do, your precious little planet will be gone! The choice is yours, Kakarot! But either way, you are going to perish!
My coach told me, Coach Smith
told me I'll never be nothing. From that day forward, I made a promise that I will give it everything I got. I'm ready to die for what I have to succeed. I have to give it everything I got. That way I'm a winner no matter what. And oh my God, I was so hurt and so baffled that this girl could do this to me. I decided to take all that energy and put it into the gym before the 81 Olympics.
Literally scream for mercy, yet you blaze onward, resolved to create thick, striated massiveness, driven by the white-hot desire to stand alone as the world's most massively developed human. Squeeze it! Come on, squeeze! All right, resist. More! Kill me! More! Next one up. Squeeze it! Come on, up! Squeeze! Harder! Yeah!
straight in there. Come on. Yes. Strong, come on, feel them. Squeeze it. Do it again. That's you, let's kick it now. Let's kick. That's you there. Let's go again. Pull it. Yes. Do one more. One more. Come on. Squeeze it up. Keep squeezing. There. Good set. Nice.
Testosterone isn't just a hormone. It's a signal. It tells your body you're ready for war, ready to build, ready to lead. You boost testosterone not by wishing for it, but by fighting for it. Compound lifts, intensity, recovery, consistency. That's the formula. That's the code. Every time you push hard in the gym, you're sending a message to your body. We're still in the hunt. Your body responds to challenge, to stress, to weight. It rewards grit. It rewards effort. You want more testosterone? Then earn IT. This isn't about ego. This is about energy, drive, purpose. High test isn't about looking the part. It's about living it. Heavy compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, bench, rows, these don't just build muscle. They spike testosterone. Studies show short bursts of intense resistance training increase natural testosterone production. Why? Because your body thinks it's at war, and it prepares for survival. Want higher testosterone? Cut the noise, cut the porn. Cut the junk food. Cut the comfort. Comfort kills testosterone. Struggle builds it. Your ancestors weren't built behind a screen. They were forged in hardship, in hunts, in cold, in pain. The gym is your modern battlefield. That iron? That's your rite of passage. It's a lifestyle, built day by day, rep by rep, night by night. This isn't motivation, it's identity. It's biology aligning with purpose.
yesterday, I slept in. Honestly, I'm just burnt out at the moment. Just been working, training, having a bit to eat, and then bed. There's been some stuff going on. I won't say what, but yeah, there's just been some stuff going on, both mentally, externally, and yeah, so I was just burnt out, so slept in, and then obviously the time I woke up, I just chilled, stayed in bed for the time being, and yeah, so I didn't train legs yesterday, but we can't skip legs, and I knew I was going to be training pull with Roland today, as you would have seen, so it was do legs in the morning. So do legs in the morning, and then obviously pull session in the evening. Wasn't too bad, but yeah, we do it. We're crazy. So yeah, that was today. Had off plan meal, lamb BT. I don't know how to say it, but it's really good. It's fucking banging. Yeah, so hopefully if I keep this up, like adhere to the calories, should be fine, and should be up in the calories next week, hopefully. We'll see. It'd be interesting. But yeah, no. Honestly now, I'm just editing this video, tired, so after this, play a game, get showered, get ready, go to bed. That's it. I'm exhausted, so it's a day worth done. So yeah, we'll see. I haven't got much to say this video. I do apologise, but yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you've seen some other content and enjoy that. Thank you for watching. Share, maybe. Share around, maybe. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully soon. Sometime soon. Most likely. Probably. I don't know. We'll see. Peace.